Yeah, Crazy Locs right here. Why y'all running? Why y'all running? Y'all want to take a punch in the Locs? And here you. Don't run. Don't run like some bitches. Did y'all say something while I was training? Huh? See where they went. Fucking scared ass bitches they is. Yeah, they cut. Yeah, shout goes out to the fans. You know what I'm saying? I be training, doing my thing. You know what I'm saying? For reals though, a lot of fucking scared pussies out there. You know what I'm saying? To the fans, we gonna keep on pushing, and the Locs gonna keep on being aggressive up on doing what he does. You know what I'm saying? For reals though. God bless everybody. Yeah.